Ever tap the Autosteer button and nothing happened? You're not alone. First off, Autosteer needs clear road markings. If the lines on the road are faded, covered in snow, or hard to see, your Tesla won't activate Autosteer. Second, check your speed. Autosteer only works within certain speed limits, usually on highways or major roads. If you're going too slow or too fast, it won't turn on. Next, make sure you're driving on a suitable road. Autosteer doesn't work on small streets, dirt roads, or in areas with tight turns. Also, those sensors and cameras around your car, they need to be clean and clear. Dirt, rain, or even direct sunlight can mess with them. Don't forget about software updates. Sometimes you just need to update your Tesla to fix Autosteer issues. Check for notifications on your screen. And finally, remember, if you see warning lights or system errors, Autosteer won't work until the issue is fixed. When in doubt, schedule a service appointment. So next time Autosteer isn't working, run through these quick checks. Stay safe, and happy driving.